Hello all. Let's see what is inside Creative's Math Safari game. It's part 1 for juniors. It's actually suitable for 6 years and up. So they gave two type of cards, pink cards and yellow cards, and a game board with dice. So the type of cards to learn are shapes and patterns, addition and subtraction, numbers, measurements and time. So let's see what kind of cards are there. There are total 180 cards. They are mostly simple. You can show the card to kids and ask for the answers. At the back side only answers are there. Most of them are very simple, teaching them the concepts.